Hello everyone! This video tutorial is about how to link your YouTube videos from Facebook in the right way. This will work on your Facebook page, homepage, group page, or wherever on Facebook that you can add posts. Let's get started to our tutorial how to link your YouTube videos from Facebook in the right way. First, we need to log into our Facebook account and YouTube account. So here in my Facebook, I am here in the home page of my Facebook. Then now we will create a post. So let's say for example, my YouTube channel video. The link to this video is in the first comment below. Then we will add the thumbnail. Okay, this thumbnail open and then post. So next we will go to YouTube and then here we will choose a video to copy the link. So this video, I will copy the link, Ctrl A, Ctrl C. Then next is we will go to the website tinyurl.com. So tinyurl.com is a website that will make your URL shorter. So here I will paste the link, Ctrl V, then click this one, make tiny URL. So this is the URL. It has length of 50 characters and resulted in the following tiny URL which has a length of 28 characters. So just click this one, copy to clipboard, then go back to your Facebook account. So we will refresh the page. So here I will paste the link here in the first comment. So here is the link, then paste the link and then you will add again the thumbnail of the video. Okay, that's it. So we will not paste directly the link here of the YouTube videos because it will play on the Facebook player, which is not counted to YouTube. Next, I will open this link, right click, open link in new tab. So this is now the video. It will open here and play in YouTube. So that is how you link properly from Facebook to your YouTube videos. I will do this also for my YouTube videos so that I can get more views. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment below, or click subscribe for more videos.